ladies and gentlemen, today is Tuesday the 12th. Yesterday we were finding the mean. Today we're going to find the median. And if you know anything, you realize these are extremely easy to do. All right, so we're going to start off with this little review sheet. We're going to be filling it out this week. First one we're going to do is the one we did yesterday, which was mean. Okay. What's another word for mean? Average. Okay. What's so let's fill in the blanks. Number one. Blank up your numbers. The verb. Add. Add up your numbers. If it said find the sum. Oh, it's terrible. Okay, second blank. Blank. The answer is divide. Divide.
The answer.
Divide.
Numbers.
Divide. Sorry, the back screen's not working because of the Wi-Fi. Or is it on?
Say good morning.
Hi, good morning.
I'm going to kindergarten for first 2 periods. Then I go to 0.
Oh, okay.
Hey, it looks good.
Thank you. Yes, we're slowly making progress, and now I have like.
It's hot here. I see someone banned herself. Is it hot here or is it just me?
Let's see.
All right, guys, how we doing?
Good luck in kindergarten.
Hey, how'd it go for back to school night? Good?
Great. Oh my God, everybody in this class basically turned up.
They came in good. That's awesome.
Wait, who did not show up? Oh,
I didn't even go.
we missed you. We totally noticed. What was a full house?
Oh yeah, I was there, so I couldn't tell you.
All right. Divide. Divide the number by how many numbers are in the set. So mean, average, add, then divide by how many numbers you have. Make sense? All right. We're going to be writing it in this sheet like in 2 seconds. But first I want to write it in our notes, Anna. All right. Notes. Official. 9/12/23. All right. So the next central measure of tendency is median. So median. Adrian, why are you on your iPad? All right, median. What is median?
It's the middle.
Yeah. It is the middle number when the numbers are in order. It's when the numbers are in order. Guess what people always forget to do? Put them in order. But none of you would ever do that. Ever forget. So it is the middle number when the numbers are in order. You must put them in order. You will get the wrong answer if you don't put them in order. So you're trying to find the number in the middle, and if they're out of order, you're not going to find the middle number. All right. Step 1. Order the numbers from, what do we call it? Order the numbers from.
Smallest to biggest?
Yes.
Alphabetical order.
Alphabetical order. Least to greatest. Order the numbers from least to greatest. And then, step 2. Cross out from each end. And I'll show you what that is in a second. So step 1, order the numbers. Step 2, cross out from each end. Cross out from each end. All right. So what if I give you the numbers 5, 30, 10, 8, and 12. All right, so copy those numbers down.
In order or not?
How many numbers are there?
5.
All right, put them in order. Smallest number,
5,
followed by,
8,
then
10, 12, 30.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Double check that you have 5, that you have them all.
Well, how did it say?
Okay, now you cross them out. Did your teacher ever tell you that?
Yeah.
All right. So front, back, what's in the middle? 10. So the median is equal to 10. It's the number in the middle. And that's it.
Could we get the worksheet?
No. All right. Do this one. 15, 7, 16, 4, 9, 10, 7. 15, 7, 16.
4. So loud. I love it.
All right. What's the number in the middle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. Perfect. We're good? All right. So that's like level 1. All right. I'm going to give them to you in order. 60, 60, 70, 72, 80, 90. So they're already in order, so we're not going to worry about that. Already in order.
Oh, I know. And then didn't you put like 0.5? Like, you know?
0.5.
Yeah, like it'll be 70 point. Oh no, it's 71, right?
Yeah.
My fault, my fault.
Working too fast. All right. So front, back. Oh no. Sad day. Because there's 2. So what do you do when there's 2? Find the middle of these 2 numbers.
74.
Yeah. Sometimes it's common sense. Like, well, what's in the middle of 70 and 72?
71.
71.
Between 70 and 71.
That would be your median. Okay? Sometimes it's as easy as using common sense and being, okay, well, what's in the middle of these 2 numbers, 70 and 72? And sometimes, let's do another problem. Let's do 55, 60, 86, and 90.
Wait, what 55, 60?
They're in order. 55, 60, 86, and 90. So, Giovanni, Damien, we cross them out, and you're just like, okay, well, there's these two in the middle, right? I can't really super use a lot of common sense because the numbers are so spread out, right? It's not like the number are right next to each other. They're pretty far apart. So what do I do?
Just one. Actually, and then divide by what?
Very good. So, when they're pretty spread out and you can't quickly use common sense, do I really want to write all of these out? 60, 61, 62? No. I mean, if there's a couple of numbers, sure. But there's way too many numbers. So what you do, when there are two numbers in the middle, add and divide by 2. Why do I divide by 2? Because how many numbers did you add? 2. So it still goes back to how many numbers you added. So, what is 86 plus 60? 146. Is that the number in the middle? No, that's not the number in the middle. So 146 divided by 2.
73. Wait, no, 78.
You need to do it on paper. Because you made a mistake the first time you said it. So you got to get used to doing it on paper so you don't make mistakes. And so our multiplication facts improve tenfold. All right. How many times does 2 go into 6? 3. So your median is equal to 3. So the number in the middle of 60 and 86 is 73. Totally couldn't do that in my head, right? So when you have two numbers in the middle, you add and you divide by 2. Okay? So this would be like, level 2. It just can't get any harder than this. But you guys all know what if I had number 6, comma 7, number. So what's in the middle of 6 and 7? Okay, so this would be 6.5. Okay? What if it's number 10, number? What's in the middle of 10 and 10? I know, right? But your answers are killing me. What's in that? So you're looking at a number line. And what's in the middle of 10 and 10? Nothing. Yeah, so what is a number? 0. Oh my God. No, 0 is over here on the number line. It's 10. But believe it or not, kids do mess up this one. When it's two numbers that are the same, it's that number. If it's one number after the other, it's 0.5. Holy moly. All right, let's finish this one. So, our next one is called median. Median. The blank, the middle. The middle number in a set of data. Put numbers in numerical order. Find the middle number. If you have two middle numbers, find the
middle of the two numbers.
Sure. So if you have two numbers, find the middle of those two numbers. Sometimes sometimes you'll have a decimal. If you have a decimal, it's usually 0.5. All right. So we're gonna glue. Plus, I'm gonna pass out the worksheet. Okay, I like this little worksheet because it gives you the room to put them in order. So make sure you carefully put them in order. Don't make a mistake on this part. All right, put them in order first. 1, 4, 6. Yes, it is. 8, 9. The math is very easy. Okay, so you put them in order. Then you cross them out front, back, circle. Circle the one in the middle. So what is the median? 6. And that's it. Easy as that. Yes. What's your answer for number 2? 3? Okay. What's your answer for number 3? 9? Okay, cool. Now, if you didn't get that, double check, ask me, ask your neighbor. Wait, how did I get that wrong? One of the mistakes kids do is they'll skip a number when they rewrite it. They'll, instead of writing all 5 numbers, they only write 4 numbers or something like crazy like that. Did you glue everything in? Are we all done with this? Of all the little things that we glue into our notebook, this is the number one that you'll go back to the most. Of all, like, because you'll have these on your do nows, like in December, and kids will forget, and they'll always go back to this one. Of all the ones that we glue into our notebook, this is the one I see the kids, my previous years, use the most. So therefore, you will use it the most. All right. Did you say I'm not amusing? All right. We said that the answer for number 2 was what? 3. What was the answer for number 3? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Thank you for the answers. All right. Let me think. How many of you were successfully able to do 5 topics yesterday? Beautiful. It's only 5 for the whole week. So you have until Sunday. You can do 1 a day, because yesterday we logged in together, just to show you. And then I get the report on Sunday or Monday morning, and then I type in your grade. So you won't see your Alex grade until Monday of next week. Okay? You don't have to send me a picture or a screenshot or anything like that. If I ever give you a different score for your topics, please let me know. There have been times the report's not accurate, so then I'll have you show me your timeline and whatnot. But yeah, usually there's no issues with most kids. But you don't need to send me pictures. I will get the report, unless there's something wrong. All right, understood? Yay, us. All right. Yes. Only if you're in a higher class in 7th grade.
Well, what? Here.
You're not in 7th grade math. No, you're in 7th grade, but I'm not going to give you extra credit for 7th grade.
Oh.
I would only give you extra credit for 8th grade math.
Let's go.
That makes sense? Did I agree to finish your 5 topics with me? Yes, but I want to go over something on Alright. Do not put away your homework. Do not put away your homework. Do not put away your homework. Pass back the homework. Do not, gentlemen, knock it off. What are we on? Exactly. What are we on? Huh?
He's on Pro Driver 17.
I am. The left.
He was those rules. He's on Pro Driver 17.
Alright. Did you finish your 5 topics, Adifonso? Did you finish your 5 topics?
I need one more.
Hence, no one plays games.
But I'm done.
Because then your neighbor thinks it's okay to play games. Which is not.
Maybe
No, so it's all across the board.
What if I did it in minute?
Okay, can we go to number 3? Okay, I need this in front of you. Not touching your iPad. I need this in front of you. We're going to do it together. Okay, some of you are having an A-okay time with this, and some of you in this class are having a horrible time with this. So we're going to do it together. Okay. I know it's easy. Okay, do you see this decimal? Okay, all you do with it is just bring it straight up. Okay, the decimal, straight up. And then, I guess ignore it. Just bring it straight up right there. Decimal, straight up, that's it. We shouldn't be putting things away. We shouldn't be distracting each other or me or yourself. You should be focusing. Okay, now you take one number at a time. And, you know, I like the old school covering it with your finger. Okay, does 2 go into 1?
No.
All right. I'm going to put the 0 to signify that. You don't have to, but some of you find it helpful. All right. How many times? Now we have 14. How many times does 2 go into 14? 7. You use your fingers. Use your multiplication table. It's cool. Giovanni's, do you have an extra homework?
What?
Do you have an extra homework? Why 7 times? Thanks, Sebastian. What's 7 times 2?
14.
14. Bring down the 9. How many times does 2 go into 9? 4. Where does that 4 go? Yes. Then 4 times 2? 8. Remainder 1. Bring down the 8. 18. How many times does 2 go into 18? 9. 9 times 2? 18. We're done. You just have to take one number at a time. Long division doesn't become easier until you practice it for like 100 hours. All right, let's do number 4 together. Ladies. All right. Just look at how many times does 2 go into 8? 4 times. 4 times 2. Mm-hmm.
In number 6, is 2 the height? Is 2 the height?
How many times does 2 go into 6?
3.
3 times 2? All right. Where is the decimal for number 1? Where is the decimal on 19? Where is the decimal on 19?
Nowhere.
Nowhere. So where should we put it? If it's nowhere, where does it go? Where do I put it if there is no decimal? All the way in the back. If you don't see it, it's in the back. It's never in the front. It's never in the middle. It's in the back. And then you can add a 0. Okay. A. When you're plotting points, the point A, does it go on your X or your Y? Will it be on my X or will it be on my Y? On the Y. A should be on your Y, not your X. A should be on your Y, not your X. What about C? On the X. We okay? Set timer for oh. Set timer for 6 minutes. Oh, what time is the thing at?
The perfect D. Symmetrical. Just add it.
Oh my god, I thought you had to.
That's what I'm doing.